relationship. You know, my wedding's coming up in just a few days, and, my fiancé, Curtsy, he wants to wear sweatpants to our wedding, and he wants to, you know what, I can't even think right now. I'm so upset. I heard he was calling me some names, that's pretty inappropriate. But, anyway, I wanted him to cut his hair, because his hair is too long, and, he's not wanting to cut his hair. I could wring his neck. Seriously, I could wring his neck. I don't think I'd get caught because I'm good at hiding stuff. Anyway, I'm hoping for the best because, he is the love of my life. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Hopefully he cuts his hair. And stops calling me names. Because I love